Hi, my name is Jia Yi and I suffered from hair loss. So when I was pregnant, I already knew that this was part and parcel of having a baby. But however, I was still not so prepared to face it. Yet when I think it happens around 4 months into when baby was about 4 months, and I realized that I had like clumps of hair falling day to day, and that was when I realized that, oh, this might be like the postpartum hair loss. So as a woman, I generally feel that as a mother also, that I feel that having a baby is a very beautiful thing, and I myself am very happy when I look at my baby. But sadly, what it comes along is postpartum hair loss, and when I see clumps and clumps of hair dropping off, it actually makes me feel very defeated. And also the phobia of having another kid, like to prepare for like a second baby planning. Of course, I lose some self-confidence. I actually bought quite a bit of caps, hats at the start, start wearing them because I don't really feel that good going out just like that with my very flat and thinning hair. So I also thought of like going to clinics or like some treatment salons to attack the hair issue. However, being a mommy, I have to spend a lot of time taking care of my baby, and I also work from home. So aside from baby, I have to attend to work. And so I have no time and effort to go and search for all this and spend a couple of hours on doing all these treatments. Instead, I actually researched for a trusted clinic that focus on hair restoration, and I seek professional advices from a certified doctor to help treat the condition. So of course, before the hair thinning, hair falling, I used to have more hair and more volume, so it wasn't this flat and thin at the side and at the top of my head. So I had to find like bucket hats, caps to cover up all these like balding areas that it's like I feel that it's gonna be like really ugly. So that lowers my self-confidence. So, and I no longer want to like tie it up and like there's like these areas here. My husband would not feel like, the changes that a woman goes through after a baby. So after every shower that I took, I actually will complain to him like, hey, you see the drain, there's so much hair there, do you see? Then he will jokingly say that, it's okay, that kind of thing. But as a woman, I actually feel very upset and like disappointed that, wow, like I have to go through this and I don't know when it's actually gonna end. And I cannot deny that actually it takes a setback on my self-confidence, and I do get stressed and upset about it a lot. Yeah, actually my mom suffered from hair loss as well due to old age, and then she has like thinning hair, receding hairline. So given as a woman, even though due to old age she's still quite aimee, she went to buy a lot of those weird hair tonics that smells weird, shampoos and stuff, that I told her that 没有用的, just go and seek professional advice from a certified doctor to get treatments that actually works. My name is Jia Yi, and I take a stand against hair loss.